Wow, wow, wow. Look at this beautiful dish, my lovely viewers and subscribers. This is honey barbecue chicken wings with macaroni and cheese. Look at those lovely colors for the decoration. If you want to see the preparation of this video, kindly visit the link in the comment, the pin link in the comment, and you see a short video. You'll see a short video with the preparation process. Okay, but this is just a preview of this lovely dish. Can I ask you, if this is your first time to this channel, to press subscribe, and if this meal pleases you, it looks great, I ask you to just press like on the video, leave a comment, and I also want you to help me and share this video. Share it with a friend. This meal can be a good dinner idea, lunch idea, and it is so easy to prepare. So after watching this video, and I ask you to watch to the end, it's a very short video, click on the pin link in the comment section and that will take you to a short video of the full preparation. Thank you so much for your support. Share this video with your friends and your family, and thank you for supporting Old Time Cooking TV. All the best. You can go over to the other video now.